how to turn off conversation tone in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off conversation tone in WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now from the drop down menu that appears, just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and select notifications. And now here under notifications, you'll see the option labeled as conversation tones. So just toggle off that option. And here, that's it. That's how you can turn off conversation tone in WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.